How can entrepreneurs use the E-2 visa to launch new businesses in the U.S.? My name's Erick Widman, and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer and the founder of Passage Immigration Law. As the land of opportunity, the United States has long been a hub for global entrepreneurs aiming to bring their innovative ideas to life. For foreign nationals, one of the most straightforward pathways to achieve this is by using the E-2 visa. This visa type, an investor visa, allows entrepreneurs to establish, develop, and oversee their businesses on American soil. In this video, we'll get into some of the details of how the E-2 visa can be an invaluable tool for business owners looking to grow in the world's largest economy. Number one, what is the E-2 visa? The E-2 Treaty Investor Visa, it's a non-immigrant visa designed for nationals of treaty countries, countries with which the U.S. maintains a treaty of commerce and navigation, who wish to invest a substantial amount of capital in a U.S. business. Unlike green cards or other types of visas, the E-2 visa is temporary, but it can be renewed indefinitely as long as the business remains operational. Number two, key eligibility criteria. To qualify for the E-2 visa, applicants must meet the following requirements. Nationality. Only nationals of treaty countries are eligible. Investment. The entrepreneur must have invested or be in the process of investing a substantial amount of capital in a bona fide enterprise in the U.S. While there's no specific minimum, the investment should be significant relative to the total cost of the business. Control of funds. The investment funds must be under the control of the investor and be at risk of loss should the venture fail. Job creation. Ideally, the business should create jobs for U.S. workers, although this is not a strict requirement. Intent to depart. The investor must intend to depart the U.S. once their visa status ends, unless they adjust their status legally. Number three, advantages for entrepreneurs. Flexibility. The E-2 visa can be renewed indefinitely, provided the business remains operational and fulfills the visa requirements. This allows entrepreneurs ample time to grow and expand their ventures. Family benefits. Primary E-2 visa holders can bring their spouses and children under 21 to the U.S. Spouses can also apply for work authorization. Mobility. While on E-2 status, entrepreneurs can travel in and out of the U.S. with relative ease. Number four, application process. Choose a suitable business. Whether buying an existing business or starting a new one, ensure it meets the E-2 criteria. Invest. Before applying, the entrepreneur must invest or be in the process of investing. The funds should be irrevocably committed. And you've got to prepare documentation. Compile evidence of the source of investment funds, business plans, and proof of the treaty country nationality. Then you have to apply at a U.S. consulate. The application is made at a U.S. consulate in the entrepreneur's home country. If approved, the visa can be issued for up to 5 years, but its duration largely depends on the reciprocity agreement with the treaty country. Number five, potential pitfalls. Changing business ventures. Switching businesses can be tricky. If the entrepreneur decides to pivot or change the nature of the business significantly, they might need to seek a new E-2 classification. Maintaining an active investment. The business must remain active. A passive investment, like a real estate rental, won't suffice. Conclusion. The E-2 visa offers a viable pathway for foreign entrepreneurs to launch and manage businesses in the U.S. However, it's crucial to be aware of the visa's requirements and nuances. We look forward to talking with you and answering any questions you might have. Definitely take care and let us know what you think.